Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a file that's been blocked by Google Chrome. If you've ever tried to download something important, only to get that frustrating message telling you, Chrome stopped the download, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get past those roadblocks safely and confidently, and understand why Chrome does this in the first place. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have your Google Chrome browser open. If you're not sure, just look for the colorful circle icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and give it a click. Once Chrome is up and running, we're heading straight into the settings. Up in the top right corner of Chrome, you'll see 3 little vertical dots. These are like your navigation hub for all things Chrome. Click those dots, and a menu pops up. From there, select Settings. If you've never explored Chrome's settings before, don't be intimidated. It's like the control room where you can adjust how Chrome behaves and keep it working the way you want. Once you're inside Settings, look to the left-hand menu and find Privacy and Security. Give that a click. This section is super important because this is where Chrome decides how strict it needs to be when you're browsing, especially when it comes to downloads and protecting you from potentially unsafe files. Now, in the Privacy and Security area, find the Security option and open it up. Here, you'll see that Chrome offers different levels of protection. Usually, you'll find Standard Protection is selected by default. This is the setting Chrome uses to shield you from risky downloads, suspicious websites, and other online threats without being too aggressive. At this point, try downloading your file again to see if it's unblocked. Sometimes, just going through these steps and confirming your security setting can let Chrome know you trust what you're trying to download. If your file still won't come through, don't worry. We'll try another option. If you're comfortable and you know for sure the file is safe, maybe it's from a trusted company or a friend, you can try selecting No Protection. I need to mention, this option is not recommended for everyday browsing. Turning off all protection takes off Chrome's shields entirely, so only use this if you're absolutely sure about the download and ideally switch it right back after. It's like unlocking your front door and leaving it open. Safe only in very specific circumstances. If Chrome is still blocking your file, let's try a different method. Head back to Privacy and Security, and this time select Site Settings. Here, we're able to fine-tune how websites interact with your browser. Scroll down or look for Additional Permissions, and then click on Automatic Downloads. This part lets you decide if websites are allowed to download multiple files one after another without always asking you. For more control and less hassle, select Don't allow sites to automatically download multiple files. This won't solve every download issue, but it does give you a way to prevent sites from flooding your computer with unwanted files, while still letting you approve downloads one by one. And that's it. You've now seen several ways to get around Chrome blocking your files, with the right mix of security and convenience. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or something's not working quite right, just drop a comment below. I always check those and try to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. I've got plenty more tricks to share. Thanks so much for watching.